We are making a do-it-yourself oscilloscope. It's a little kit I got. See, you need a multimeter. Okay, so far I found resistor 2, 10, 7, and 39. Let's see, find the ones right here. Gotta match them with the resistors. Like I said, you have to use a multimeter. See, right now, this resistor is 20K. So we go to 20K, which is resistor 5. Right there. And I'm going to go ahead and keep on putting this together, and I'll be right back. I have finished putting all the resistors in. The only thing is I'm missing one HF choke. See, I have L1, L3, and L4. I got L1, L3, but I'm missing L4. It wasn't in there. It wasn't in there. So I got to improvise. But I'm gonna go ahead and start soldering the back. We'll start soldering, and I'll be right back. So before my progress, got right here all my resistors, a couple of capacitors, these ones that look like little brown discs, got also my transistors, these black ones. Almost done. Oh, and got my buttons right here. Right there. That's almost done. Got this much more to go. Well, I finished my oscilloscope. Now we're going to see if it works. Plug it into charger. Huzzah! It works. Cool. Well, there you go. The do-it-yourself oscilloscope. It was only what, 26 bucks. Laters.